Hi guys, welcome back. So as a beginner, the first thing that you need to know is that you want to place your false lashes directly above your natural lashes. So I'm drawing a thin line as a guide to show you where to place your false lashes. You can do that so that you don't place your false lashes too far from your natural lashes. Okay, so I'm going to be using a pair of lashes from this pack, and I'm going to be using the classic makeup lash glue. You guys, this glue is strong. It is actually strong. So place your glue on your lashes, make sure you get everywhere. And now the trick, guys, the trick: take your glue and put it exactly where you want to place your lashes. Put it on the line that you drew as a guide, or if you don't have a line, just put it above your natural lashes. This is going to be like a magnet, you guys. This is the fastest and easiest way to help you apply your false lashes. So I start with the middle and then I drag down the front. You guys see how, because I placed my glue on my eyes as well, it just dragged my lashes to my eyes. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but you saw how easily it just like stuck to my eyes. So you can use tweezers or you can use your fingers. Now I'm just going to use my fingers to press my natural lashes to my false lashes and just press down the lashes so everything stays in place. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Do try it out, and if it works for you, let me know as well. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.